In today's video, I'm going to show you text bound effect. First, I want to create a text layer. Go to text option and select it. Right here, whatever you want. Then fix position and scale value on the text. Go to properties and fix alignment. And increase the scale value. Again, I want to fix alignment. Then go to effect panel and search text animator. Here you can see text animator effect. Drag on it on the text layer. If I play the video, you will see the nice effect. If I increase the effect, it will be longer. Now in this time, go to effect control panel and select text animator effect. Scroll down and change the type option. I want to select overshot effect. Change amplitude value to 100%. Then decrease the resize 60% and increase the distribution 60%. Then increase push position on the right 190%. Then scroll down and increase the motion blur value 60%. Now if I play the video, you will see the entire effect. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe on my channel.